Okay, so check this out. Yusuf and this little thing over here mixed up my entire collection, 160 something puzzles. We estimated it's going to take me, if I'm doing it with just a little bit of fatigue throughout the solves, it's going to take me about 12 hours and 28 minutes to solve all of this. Wish me luck, enjoy the time lapse. So me and my friend are going to attempt these. He's going to solve the 3x3s. I'm going to solve everything else. Watching some Wisp horror Minecraft. It's going to be awesome. Look at how many cubes there are here. All of these cubes themselves, they're probably going to take like about 6 hours, but then this tray here itself will probably take 6 hours. Like these ones will take like a 40 minutes. This takes me a long time. Stuff like this. Like there's a few in here that will take upwards of 40 minutes maybe. Not actually, but with fatigue maybe. But this is going to be a hectic, so yeah. Starting the time lapse for real this time. So it's day 2 of solving my entire collection. This is part 2 of 3 of the time lapse because I'm going to try and do all of this today, and then I still have those boxes left to do. It's only like the super long ones, like the 40-minute solves and stuff like that, and the 8x8 and Gigaminxes and stuff. This is what I solved yesterday. So yeah, let's get into part 2 of this time lapse. Okay, so I just finished part 2 of this. This is what the stuff I done yesterday. This is what I just done now. This is pretty much all of the stuff except for like the Gigamixes and like more long cubes, like the cubes that will take me over 20 minutes each. But yeah, pretty happy with that progress today. Been going for pretty much like 3 or 4 hours now. So yeah. That's all for this second part of the time lapse. Hey guys, so this is part 3 of 3 for the time lapse of solving all my cubes. I have 21 cubes left, but all of them will take me a long time. Like some of these puzzles, like this one here, and where is it now? This one here will take me like over 30 minutes. So this will probably be the longest part of the time lapse, but even though it's the least amount of the cubes. Anyway, enjoy the time lapse, guys. Okay guys, we're getting basically to the end of all of this hectic 160 something puzzle relay. Just finished all out on this 8x8, and yes, we do have parity again. And just peel out of that. That is it. Time right now is 9:30. Started at 6:30 or like just before 6:30, so that's 3 hours and something minutes plus the 3 hours that I already done. And that is the end of the relay. So the other 140 something puzzles took me 3 hours, but just these few puzzles, actually some of them like this one, they only took me like a minute each. But besides the 140 puzzles that took me 3 hours, just these few took me 3 hours on their own. But yeah, that is all for this long video of my time lapse of all 160 something puzzles. I'll put the exact count on the screen because I don't know the exact amount of puzzles that were in this video. But yeah, that is the full video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely won't be doing this anytime soon again, but maybe next time I'll do it on a live stream in one sitting. Hopefully that would be a bit better. But anyway, yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.